The mass of a large can of dog food is 1/3 of the mass of 4 small cans of dog food. The total mass of one small can of dog food and one large can of dog food is 861 grams. What is the mass of a large can of dog food? So basically, I'm going to do this problem visually. And in order to do it visually, I'm going to first draw 4 small cans of dog food. Now, since I have to find 1/3 of that, so it's a good choice to draw each small can as a group of 3 equal units. So let's do that. So this is one small can. Here's my second small can, third, and 4. Now, I need to find 1/3 of this, and that would represent one large can. So let's write small here. So really, I have 4 small cans here. The question says that a large can is 1/3 of the mass of 4 small cans. Let's highlight, well, let's change the color. Of the very first sentence to blue. It's an important sentence, and we're going to come back to it again. So this blue sentence tells me that a large can is 1/3 of 4 small cans. Now, as I have depicted the small cans, 4 small cans are made of 12 small units or squares, as you can see in the picture. So a large can must be 1/3 of 12. So 4 small cans is 4 times 3 is equal to 12 units. And a large can must be 1/3 of 12 or 4 units. And this is a very important feature of the problem, and you do want to make sure you get it. Now I know a large can must be made of 4 small units. Let's do it right here. And let's write large here. Now, let's work on the next sentence, this sentence, and let's make it green. This green sentence tells me the total mass of one small can of dog food and one large can of dog food is 861 grams. So the small can is, let's shade it. Blue. And let's shade my large can, or one large can, blue as well. And let's make sure we do understand the large can is made of 4 smaller squares. And let's also make sure we understand that each small can is made of 3 smaller squares. According to the green sentence, all of this, one small can and one large can together have a mass of 861 grams. So 7 little squares have a mass or represent something that has a mass of 861 grams. So each square must have a mass of 861 divided by 7, 861 divided by 7 is 123. So we figured out that each square is 123 grams. And let's put the unit here, doesn't hurt. And this is not a bad time to pause and reflect and genuinely understand where we are coming from. And what we're trying to say is this: each square must have a mass of 123 grams. I want to know the mass of the large can, and the large can is made of 4 little squares. So let's see what we can do. So the mass of the large can must be 123 times 4, which turns out to be 492 grams. 492 grams. So let's write our final answer neatly over here. The mass of a large can must be 492 grams. And that is my answer. That's my answer right here.